Here is a pair of Sony WF-C510 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone. First thing is go to your Bluetooth settings. So tap on settings on your iPhone. We want to go to Bluetooth. Make sure it's turned on. Okay, now you can see other devices down here. That little thing that's spinning, it's searching for devices that are in pairing mode that is near me. So now we got to put this in a pairing mode. Okay, make sure the earbuds are in, and then go ahead and open it up. And then on the back here, you have this button here. Okay, what we're going to do is press and hold that button until we get a LED light that goes blue, 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 which indicates it's in pairing mode. Okay, so here's the button here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Keep holding. Blue, 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 blue. Now just look under here and see if it finds it. There it is, WF-C510. Let's tap on that. And you can see that we are now connected. And there you go. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.